Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to do advanced search on Twitter. So let's get started. At first we need to know that Twitter app is now changed to this app called X as it is acquired by X Corp. So let's get into it. Now at first we need to simply go to the search icon over here, and in the search bar search for the person or the user or the terms we want to search. So let's tap on this. Here this is the basic search, but here in the right side we can see this filter option. Here we can have some advanced search over here. Let's tap on this, and here you can choose the search from people. It can be from anyone or the people you follow, and you can choose the location as well and click on apply. Also you can tap on this three dots over here and click on search settings, and you can change the settings over here. So this is it. This is all we can do to do advanced search on Twitter. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.